APIA Vote Town Hall, and I especially want to commend John Chung, California's controller and co-chair of my campaign in California, for all of his hard work on my behalf and for such a kind introduction. I so regret I cannot be with you in person today, but I am pleased that I can participate in this historic event by satellite. I know this is your first presidential town hall, focused on the concerns of Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders, and all of the issues confronting you and your families. And I want to applaud and support APIA Vote for your efforts to ensure that this vital community has a voice in our political process. This is a perfect time to host this forum. After all, May is Asian Pacific American Heritage Month, when we show appreciation for the rich diversity and history of the AAPI community and celebrate your sacrifices and accomplishments, which have helped to build our country and make it stronger.